Hey, I have a really fun bluesy rhythmic jam I want to teach to you today. Let me go play it and then I'll go and talk through the notes. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's what it sounds like with single notes, but it starts getting really fun when you turn it into double stops. So 1, 2, 3. Let me teach it to you in today's video, so let's start going through the notes. All right, so we're gonna start off by starting it on beat 4. We're gonna talk about the single note version first. So we're gonna count in 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna start on 1 draw, 2 blow, 1 draw, and then 3 whole step bend scooped up to a 3 draw. Now a bend scoop is where you hit your bend and then you just release. Now if you can't do the bend scoop, you could leave it out and just go right to the 3 draw. That's okay too. Okay, and then you go to 2 blow, 1 draw, 2 draw twice, like this. Again, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's the first part. And then the second part here, we go right to the scoop, and then 2 blow, 1 draw, 2 draw. So the same thing like before, but we skip out the last 2 draw. Like that. So far I have this, 1, 2, 3. Now I have a little like turnaround phrase here where I'm doing 4 draw, 4 blow, 3 blow. Okay, and then that goes back into another bend scoop on hole 3. And then 2 blow, 1 draw, 2 draw twice, 2 blow, 1 draw, and then 2 whole step bend, 2 blow, 1 draw. Okay, so when we got to that part, the 4 draw, 4 blow, 3 blow, we go into this. I'm just gonna take it slow. Okay, if you can't do the 2 whole step bend there, it would be a little incomplete, but you could do like the 2 blow twice. So if you have to modify it, that's what you would do. Okay, so I'm gonna play what I have so far. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. All right, so that's the core of it, and you can just keep looping on this and keep having fun with this, but it gets really cool when you can turn these single notes mostly into double stops. Now, a double stop is just a 2-note chord. So if I was gonna play the 1 draw, I'd play 1 and 2 draw. If I was gonna play the 2 blow, I'd do 2 and 3 blow. 1 and 2 whole draw again. And you can just hear that sounds so much more full. Now, if you're a tongue blocking player, this is gonna be a little bit easier for you because us tongue blockers, we just kind of need to widen our armature just a little bit in a way that feels very natural. If you're a puckering player, you're gonna have to really try to get that clarity with your chord playing. And it's not gonna feel quite as natural, but you could do it, okay? So this would be essentially the same exact thing. I'll talk about the differences, okay? So I'm gonna start from the beginning. Now, when we do the double stop, we are doing, or the bend scoop here, we're doing 3 and 4 draw, starting with the 3 bent to the whole step, and then we're raising it. This is a very tricky move to do, but you can do it. And if you start like learning a bunch of music, like I've been learning some Little Walter tunes this week, that kind of bent double stop thing happens all the time. And then, so that's like that first part. And then it's pretty much the same thing. We're just adding an extra note. So 2 and 3 blow, 1 and 2 draw, and then 2 and 3 draw. I'm gonna keep going. Now this part here, the 4 draw, 4 blow, 3 blow, I'd keep that all single notes. Same thing with the bend here at the end. All right, and that's the whole jam. So when you get it together, it sounds like this. So 1, 2, 3. And then you can do whatever else you want on here. You can kind of change it up in some different ways. So that's the jam, and I hope you have a lot of fun learning this. Now, if you want to go deeper learning with me, go check out my Start Soloing program. It's a free 3-day workshop that will teach you how to improvise over blues backing tracks so you can start soloing on your own. So go check that out. Link is in the description. I'll also include my bending breakthrough bending series of lessons so you can really get your bends working. Also, I have lessons on single notes and a whole bunch of other things. There's backing tracks, practice tools, all entirely for free. The link's down below in the description. That's it from me for this week. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.